all those negative criticisms are perfectly and at the same time correct. So we just want to put things in order in the right perspective, so that we expect you to do information that are supposed to be an information that the reader will appreciate, because we are informing you the real situation of the issues that are raised or has been raised that is not in favor of the Zamboanga City Electric Cooperative. So we personally decided, that said, management staff agreed that we have to invite you and to use you as the middleman in bringing the right information to our member consumer. And in so doing, we expect that there will be progress as we continue, because we are here for service and for development and service and also development.
Buenas noches, good evening. Sir, just for the record, akong Kia, kaya mag-purchase kita. Para kung lang nato kita ya, tausa.
There are different kinds of Kias. We call it panoramic, 4x4, or sport type. Double cab. The intention of this is really to use in the operation. A very good example, and you can be a living witness, that during the election, we deployed these Kia vehicles in all our franchise areas, including the area as far as Limaong, Tomitos, all the mountainous areas. We are taking care of them, because during the election, schools are located not only in a level area, but even mountainous areas. And our experience is that prior to this election, we had been using our dilapidated and almost junk vehicles. And we don't receive consumer satisfaction, because when complaints, especially from the schools, including from the barangays that are upland, they complain that for 3 days, for 1 week, for 1 month, we cannot go there. It is very true that we cannot go to the site, especially the mountainous areas. Now, what is the reason why we cannot go there? Our vehicles, if you have seen, some of them are named Ampra vehicles. They are not 4x4. They are only 2x2. So when we go up in the mountain, we only reach halfway. We don't reach up to the complaint area. So what do we get out of this? Dissatisfaction. Because our troubleshooter only stop up to the middle. They cannot move backward, because the vehicles cannot go up. Now, comparing the situation before, unlike now, we don't receive more complaints from those consumers that needs immediate response, because our mobility is very efficient. We have a control dispatching officer, we call it Zebra, and NOMAD. During night time, when these complaints reach the NOMAD or the Zebra, when we dispatch, we receive a report from the troubleshooters. Sir, kaya kaya malo sir, takin na medyo kami no pwede. Ayuda ka naman sir, nanda. manlabos kali service para hila ka namon. So, cosa que hace, el pensamiento, el guía de mi dirección, resolve con el problema del vehículo, hindi resolve con el problema del consumer. So, when we thought of this, buying this service, after that, when we acquired this, we almost received to the fullest the consumer satisfaction because we are always there, we are responsive to the needs of the consumers. So, on the other hand, if you notice, our Kia is not only limited for light equipment that can carry, including our troubleshooter. It can carry even poles, electrical wires, transformers. So when these units are needed, when the materials are needed, our vehicles are on the go. We can move on. We can facilitate and respond immediately. So the consumer satisfaction is there in terms of service. Under the APIRA law, especially the Energy Regulatory Commission, we are being measured by the response time, CID-MIP. In other words, during the frequency, how do you respond?
Okay.
During the blackout, how do you respond?
Anyway, GM, kasi was there ever a time hindi ka nasibugay o sa Kia? How through akal report, ya panda allegedly, Zancelco, ya manda usa con el party list we care con el vehículo and ya pwede man meet accident alya kaya causal muerte de la tres.
An instruction that came from me to deliver invitations because we are having this so-called power crisis and that there is an urgent hearing that we invited all the barangay chairmen to be with us during the hearing to make a decision to oppose or intervene or support. That was the mission that I have instructed.
It's not true kaya man kita usap na
For the I-Care, it is true because for the I-Care party list, it is a unanimous decision by the Association of Mindanao. We agreed that there should be marathon campaign to show that we, the consumers, what CARE represents is Consumers Alliance for Energy. So we are trying to produce a wider information for the consumer to know that they have a party list to support them. And it is not only some circle that decided, it's a nationwide to include specifically the Mindanao Association of the Electric Cooperative. We do not just move alone. We are moved like a big association for the island of Mindanao.
Okay, raise some follow-up on the purchase of that Kia. As a member consumer and a member of the press, I'm not questioning those Kia that we see around. Kaya tali sila po, especially those of mga blanco. Kaya klaro, ang serbisyo, yadali. We are very much concerned on that luxury car for department heads because I believe in a cooperative or any organization, and every time you spend your money for the cooperative, there should be the so-called return of investment. What are we getting out from that luxury car? And that, ese ba comprada de ese, pasabasin ng board. And para department heads na kada ese, diba? These are questions kaya está na pensamento di amon because we are experiencing, di ano lang, si no hay subida corriente. Este todo de repente because ya tiene subida de corriente. And I remember before you answer manager or any from the board, I remember one of the document that was handed to me by somebody from Zumcelco. It was a summary of what had happened in the what's that, Toledo Convention. That the comment of Mrs. Edita Bueno, NEA Administrator, lugi na nga kayo, disapprove na nga ng NEA yan.